Okay guys, so this is multilinear regression. Multilinear regression is performed by matrix form. So like we saw in the just linear regression, but matrix form you just had this part and this part. This thing is extra here. It's very same. You saw the presentation, right? Let me just show you again. I have to go up. Okay, see. This was the presentation. Now you will be having x1, x2, so on to xn, right? So here you will have one more field like x11, x22, x3, x44, so on up to x2 and like that. Okay, I mean x1 and like just like that. So it's just only one thing additional, and here instead of a1, a0, n1, give only a2. This like that. That's it. So now if we, where is it? See here. What you are doing, see 1 1 1 1 same as it is, then x1 all will write 1 2 3 4, then 4 5 8 2 also will write, then y same a. So again we have to do the same calculation. This is our x matrix. Now take the transpose x into x transpose, both are same. If you calculate this you will get a matrix. So now if you have to take the inverse of this, to be honest, mark my word, to calculate the inverse of a 3 cross 3 matrix will take you more than half an hour and seriously too big. Do not waste your time doing the calculation. By heart these values. You just have to substitute each. See, substitute x transpose, substitute x, put whole bracket, put inverse symbol. Again write multiplication of this. Here put another bracket. Then you write y in this bracket. Directly write the answer minus 1.69, 3.48 and minus 0.05. I'm saying you, it's really very long position. You remember that thing you give here, see, plus, minus, this is plus. We did this in max. Here it will be plus, here it will be plus, this all are minus. Okay. Then you have to compute this 2 into this 2, this 2 into this 2, this 2 into this 2, like this matrix into, you have to leave everything and take this 4. This matrix into, you leave this, you take this 2, this 2. Then this position, you leave this 2, you take this. You have to calculate that. Then again, see, you have to root that 9 times you have to do. Exclude this row, this column, here. Exclude this row, this column. You have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Exclude this row, this column, this 4. Then you have to start here. Exclude this row, see this row and this from this 4, then this row, this column, 1 2, like that. You have to do 9 steps, and again you have to take transpose of that. See, while I said how to do that itself, you got like, oh my god, who will? So just by heart this answer. Once you by heart this answer, like it will be, see, this is a0, a1, a2. Hence the constructed model is y is equals to minus 1.69 plus 3.48 x1 minus 0.05 x2. So if it was just a linear matrix, you will get a naught plus a1x. For multilinear you have a naught plus a1x plus, see, I'll write down, plus a2x. See, multilinear regression was that said, nothing else is there. If you understand how to do linear regression, then multilinear is also the same. But the only problem which you will face by chance if they change the matrix of problems, then I say you don't attend that question itself. Okay, so remember the answer minus 1.69, 3.48, then 0.05. Okay, that's it. We'll see you in the next video.